All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video for the JLab Go Air Sport workout wireless earbuds. Okay. Side note, JLab. That name is a mouthful, but that's the name of the earbuds. The JLab Go Sport wireless workout earbuds. Mouthful. Y'all need to shorten that. Da 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 da. Ooh, boom, boom, boom. Okay, needs to be shorter. But this is my microphone test video for those earbuds. So all the audio you guys and gals are hearing for today's video is being recorded via the onboard microphones on the JLab Ergo Sport wireless workout earbuds. Geez, it's a lot to say in one go. So we're going to test out the microphones here today in two different scenarios. One is going to be a simulated crowdy environment or a noisy environment, okay? And the other is going to be the ideal quiet environment, or as ideal or close to quiet as I can get it. So I hope everyone finds this video here today helpful, and let's begin. So starting off here, this is the first environment that we're testing the microphones in, a simulated or quiet as I can get it environment. Okay. Now, side note, it's 93 degrees outside today. So if you guys and gals hear the AC kick on while I'm doing this test, there's nothing really I can do about that. I'm not going to make myself extra crispy by turning off the AC. I did, however, turn off the ceiling fan, and it's already getting kind of warm in here. So I'm trying to get this video done quick, fast, and in a hurry because I need to crank that ceiling fan back on because it's going to get toasty up in here. But yeah, this is as good as I can get it in terms of a noise free or as close to noise free environment. Okay, so you guys and gals, let me know what you think. Now, I have some crowd noise pulled up on my TV on my Roku in the background here that we're going to use to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment. Okay, so for reference, the TV is set to 18% volume. Okay, I just want to reference that. I'll have some B-roll up in the video later showing y'all how everything was set up and just what the TV volume is set to. But I want to reference that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push play on the video. I'm going to let it play for a couple seconds, and then I'm going to talk at my normal volume, at my natural cadence, and this will give you an idea of how the microphone performs, isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. All right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and push play and see how these microphones perform. Let's go. Let this play for a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and hopefully the microphones do a good job of isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Unfortunately, I won't know what it sounds like until I watch the video back in post, but hopefully it's doing a good job. All right? So this is testing out the microphones on the JLab Air Go Sport Workout wireless earbuds. Wow, that name is a mouthful. Y'all let me know how you feel the microphones perform in this test. Let's go ahead and stop the crowd noise now. Okay. And now we're back to as quiet or as close to quiet environment as I can get it. All right, so that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals found the video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to show everyone how I have everything set up. Okay, so I'm going to throw up the B-roll now, showing y'all exactly how my setup is. So all I've done was connected up the earbuds to my Samsung Galaxy S10e. Okay. And then I went down into the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application. Okay. Then I went and switched it over to Pro mode. Okay, it was already in Pro mode from a previous video that I had recorded, and you can see I was using Bluetooth audio for that previous video. But just to show you guys and gals, I switched it to Omni Audio, so the onboard device audio, and then I switched it back to Bluetooth audio. And what's really nice when you're shooting in Pro mode and you switch the audio input, if the audio is supported, you'll get a nice little haptic or like audio buzz feedback. So I knew when it switched over to the mics on the earbuds because I got that little like buzz feedback. I can hear the mics picking up little ambient noises in the background. But yeah, all I did was switch over to Pro mode. Then I switched the audio input from Omni to Bluetooth. Well, I switched it from Bluetooth to Omni and then from Omni back to Bluetooth. And then I push record, I spun the cameras around, and that is how I recorded today's video. Today's video was also recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS using the rear facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. And we are using Bluetooth audio to record all the audio for today's video. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality. Please let me know what you think of the overall audio quality, and please let me know what you think of how the microphones on the JLab Go Air Sport workout earbuds performed in this video. Gosh, that name is a mouthful. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right, let me go turn this fan on, man. I'm hot up in here. And I actually got to go run out. So I got to go wind the windows down because I got to run out and the AC in my car don't work. So it is what it is. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.